All right, everybody, for everyone that's been keeping up with the Shopify ChatGPT challenge that we launched over a month ago now, we got our ad account banned multiple times. We reached a 1K day already. We basically had a cash flowing business in the first month. However, our ad account got banned, and that basically set us back to zero because this was actually the second time our ad account got banned. So I'm going to show you in this quick video what we did now to bring it back to almost 1K day yesterday. Hopefully we'll reach 1K plus today, and hopefully by the end of the month we'll be at 2 or 3K a day. That's the goal. But we finally got a new ad account, and what I want to do today is basically show you how you can prepare for stuff like this, because obviously if you're a business like this that heavily relies on ads, it's going to be pretty detrimental to get your ad account banned. Now, before I show you how you can actually prevent this from happening to you, or explain it, and then also show you how you can create new ad accounts ahead of time, I also want to share something we've been doing. We've been starting to post on social media, which is kind of funny because I said that I didn't want to do that, but I've actually been using ChatGPT to create blog posts on the store that are relevant to the niche and products, and then we're linking the products in them for SEO. But then what we're also doing is taking those blog posts and turning them into social media posts. So it's super easy to do. It takes maybe 30 minutes to do all of it. I'm talking about writing it, posting it, everything across all socials. So it's something I'm going to try to continue to do. Obviously, I'll probably hire somebody for it very soon just to continue to build the SEO and the brand so that even if we do get screwed by Meta, we'll still be able to generate some sort of revenue and not just be in the negative. So this is what the ad account looks like. We found some campaigns that are doing extremely well, over 4 ROAS. But what you got to do here to actually not have this happen to you is you got to go here to all tools, and then you got to go to business settings. So once you're in your business settings, what you want to do is click here and just click create new ad account, and then just do this as many times as you possibly can. And you want to do this honestly right when you begin launching ads for your business, because this way you'll be safe in the event that your ad account gets banned. And I will say, obviously, you shouldn't do anything that goes against policy. We didn't. We follow the terms of service of Meta, on all fronts, but still sometimes glitches happen, and it's just if you watched our Jose Torres interview, for example, we talked a little bit about that, and I've seen the same thing with clients, is that whenever big ad account bans happen, you kind of have to start building the momentum from scratch. So, you don't want to have to always wait until you get your ad account back, because let's say that takes 5 days, right? Then you miss out on 5 days of building momentum. So you want to be able to launch right away as soon as your ad account gets banned on a separate account, just in case this account doesn't get back, and just so that you can actually continue to build the momentum. And it's actually a smart idea to scale on multiple accounts. That's what we do at the Akemi agency for our clients that are doing 20K a day, for example. Sometimes we scale on separate accounts. But yeah, that's what you're going to want to do. Just make sure that you are doing this as soon as you start launching your ads. Otherwise, you're going to get caught by surprise like we did. I didn't really, this was a rookie mistake. I didn't really expect for this to happen. But luckily, since I've always known that this is a possibility, I had 5 ad accounts ready to go just in case, something like this happens. So now we're building the momentum back up again, and we're testing products, we're scaling products, we're getting content. We're trying to take it to the next level here slowly but surely. Obviously, this is a side project, but it's a lot of fun, and it's awesome because I can make so much content around it. But either way, just a real brief video here on how you can prevent this stuff from happening, and just a pretty informative or instructional episode in the series. I will say this is the last week that you can get access to the Akemi Lab Mastermind at an exclusive price with this code, and this is lifetime access, okay? I want you guys in this community for life. This is like the Y Combinator of this side of entrepreneurship. That's how I'm trying to build this. So I hope that you join it. I would love to see you in there. And yeah, I'll leave the link to that in the description, but make sure you use the code this week, because this is the lowest it'll ever be, basically, long story short. So I just need to mention it to you so you don't miss out. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you learned something. Make sure you go create those ad accounts right now. And I'll update you more in a few weeks on the challenge, maybe next week once I get back home. I'm still traveling. I'll be back soon though, so don't worry. And I'll be streaming and all those things. But yeah, see you next time. Peace.